Hello student, myself Professor Ajay Yadav. In this session we are discussing about process of photosynthesis. So there are two process. One is light dependent process and other is light independent process. Dependent process. So light dependent process is also nothing but photophosphorylation and this is also nothing but light reaction, whereas light independent reaction is called as dark reaction. क्या बोलते हैं? Dark reaction. Okay, so photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis are two types. One is light dependent and other is light independent. So light dependent process is called as photophosphorylation as well as it is also known as light reaction, whereas light independent reaction is called as dark reaction. Okay, so first of all we discuss about photophosphorylation. What is photophosphorylation? Addition of phosphate ion in presence of light is called as photophosphorylation. So in the photophosphorylation ATP molecule will be synthesized. Okay, so photo means light, phospho means phosphate ion, and rylation means addition. Addition of phosphate ion in presence of light is called as photophosphorylation. So reaction of photophosphorylation, ADP plus inorganic phosphate in presence of light, ATP will be synthesized. So in the photophosphorylation ATP will be formed by adding of inorganic phosphate in presence of light is called as photophosphorylation. So photophosphorylation complete into two pathway. Photophosphorylation completed by two pathway. Okay, one is called as non-cyclic photophosphorylation, and second is called as cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay, so non-cyclic photophosphorylation is also called as Z-scheme pathway. Okay, Z-scheme pathway. Why it is called Z-scheme pathway? Because once electron liberated from or excited from photosystem 2, it never come back to photosystem 2. Okay, so we start with non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay, so for non-cyclic photophosphorylation occurred in thylakoid membrane. कहां पे होता है? थाइलाकॉइड मेम्ब्रेन में होता है. Okay, so non-cyclic photophosphorylation occurred in thylakoid membrane because in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation splitting of water takes place. Splitting of water takes place. Where what splitting of water takes place? In inner membrane of thylakoid. Okay, then other important about non-cyclic photophosphorylation is NADPH2 synthesize. Synthesized. Okay, so for NADPH2 synthesization enzyme are required, and that enzyme present outer membrane of thylakoid. ओके, कहां पे पाया जाता है? आउटर मेम्ब्रेन. सपोज दिस इज thylakoid. So thylakoid is double membrane structure, outer membrane and inner membrane. So inner membrane, in the inner membrane means here splitting of water takes place, whereas enzyme NADPH2 synthesize enzyme present. So this is enzyme which is help in the synthesis of NADPH2, and here inner membrane, this is inner membrane. So in the inner membrane splitting of water takes place. So entire structure is nothing but thylakoid. Okay, so this is outer membrane of thylakoid, this is inner membrane of thylakoid. So non-cyclic photophosphorylation takes place in the thylakoid membrane. Okay, so in the non-cyclic photosphorylation, electron liberated from photosystem to and it never come back to photosystem 2. Okay, so these liberated electron accepted by various electron carrier molecule. That is, first we have to draw the cycle of non-cyclic photophosphorylation, then we will discuss. Okay, pause. So we discussed about non-cyclic photophosphorylation. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, first of all, splitting of water takes place. Okay, so four molecule of water split in presence of light. Okay, so 4 electron is plus 4 proton plus 2 oxygen. 2 oxygen is liberated out as a byproduct. So these in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation there are 2 photosystems are involved, that is PS2 absorb maximum light at 680 nanometer. Okay, so PS2 absorb 680 nanometer of light. So when sun emit the solar energy and it is absorbed by photosystem 2, So in the photosystem 2, chlorophyll pigment present in the center and it is surrounded by other pigment that is called as accessory pigment. So all photosynthetic pigment absorb different wavelength of light, okay, and pass the light to chlorophyll A, and the electron of chlorophyll gets excited and these electron accepted by primary electron acceptor, and the energy level of primary electron acceptor is higher, so it rolled down through energy gradient. So primary electron acceptor pass the electron to plastoquinol pass the electron to cytochrome B6, pass the electron to cytochrome F, and cytochrome F pass the electron to plastocyanine. Here the energy of electron gets de-energized. Okay, so these electron accepted by photosystem 1. Photosystem 1 absorb maximum light at 700 nanometer. So when photosystem 1 absorb maximum light at 700 nanometer, the photosystem of PS1 so chlorophyll A molecule of photosystem 1 liberate the electron and it is reaches to ferrodoxin through ferrodoxin reducing substance. Okay, so ferrodoxin reducing substance, electron reaches to ferrodoxin through ferrodoxin reducing substance, and ferrodoxin pass the electron to molecule of NADP, and these NADP synthesize two molecule of DPH2 in presence of enzyme NADPH2 synthetase. Okay, so these proton accepted by two molecule of NADP, and this electron, so electron is replaced by splitting of water. So this is non-cyclic. So in the non-cyclic there are two photosystem are evolved. कितने? Two photosystem are evolved. One is PS2 and other is PS1. So PS1 absorb maximum light at 680 nanometer and it emit the electron, and that is accepted by primary electron acceptor, and primary electron acceptor pass the electron to plastoquinol, and plastoquinol roll down the electron to cytochrome B6. Okay, and during the rolling down of electron from cytochrome B6 to cytochrome F, one molecule of ATP synthesized by addition of phosphate ion in ADP molecule. Okay, so one molecule of ATP synthesized. Okay, so cytochrome F roll down the electron to plastocyanine, and here the energy of electron is de-energized, and these electron accepted by photosystem 1. When photosystem 1 absorb maximum energy or maximum light at 700 nanometer, then electron again gets excited and reach to ferrodoxin through ferrodoxin reducing substance, and ferrodoxin pass the electron to two molecule of NADP, and NADP two molecule of NADP synthesize two molecule of NADPH2 in presence of enzyme NADPH2 सिंथेटेज। कौन से एंजाइम में? तो यहां पे एंजाइम लिखोगे NADPH2 सिंथेटेज, synthetic enzyme. Okay, so the reaction of synthesis of NADP, so 2 molecule of NADP plus 4 hydrogen, it synthesized in presence of enzyme, synthetase enzyme, so 2 molecule of NADPH2. So by non-cyclic phosphorylation, one molecule of ATP synthesized as well as 2 molecule of NADPH2 synthesized. And in the non-cyclic phosphorylation, splitting of H2O takes place. So this is splitting of H2O is replace the electron. So this non-cyclic photophosphorylation takes place in membrane of thylakoid. कहां पे होता है? थाइलाकॉइड में होता है. सो अभी यहां पे फुल फॉर्म लिख देता हूं मैं. फर्स्ट PEA मीन्स प्राइमरी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर. ओके, देन PQ is nothing but plastoquinol. Okay, then cytochrome B6 or this complex is called as cytochrome complex. Okay, so CYT is nothing but cytochrome complex. Okay, then PC means plastocyanin. Then FRS, ferredoxin, reducing substance. Then FD is ferredoxin. Okay, so in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, 2 photosystem are involved. First is photosystem 2, which is absorb maximum light at 680 nanometer, and other is photosystem 1, that is absorb maximum light at 700 nanometer. So through non-cyclic photophosphorylation, 1 molecule of ATP synthesized and 2 molecule of NADPH2 synthesized. Okay, thank you.